first up, this adorable snowman. As you can see, we have the main head, the hat brim, the hat itself, and then these tiny face pieces and the carrot nose. I'm starting with white for his head. And here's a little tip. 2 thin coats of paint is always better than 1 thick gloppy coat. While that dries, I'll paint the hat black and the nose orange. This is the part I love. It's so relaxing. This is such a great starter kit for kids because the pieces are big and easy to paint. You don't have to worry about painting in the lines because the laser cuts do all the work for you. Now for the magic. I'm taking a tiny bit of Mod Podge on my brush and just painting it on the back of the hat brim, then stick it right on. See? Instantly 3D. Let's add the hat, the nose, and the face. To finish, I'm painting a thin layer of Mod Podge right over the top. Look at him! How cute is that? Next up, this gorgeous intricate snowflake. This one says up to snow good, which I think is so fun. For this, I'm going to paint the main snowflake a beautiful silver. And while that dries, I'll paint the background a frosty blue. The laser cut details on this are just amazing. This is one of my favorites to give as a gift to a friend. It's fun, it's chic, and it looks so professional when it's done. Once it is, just a little Mod Podge on the back of the centerpiece and press down. How simple was that? Okay, this one might just be my favorite because it's inspired by my dad's favorite saying. It's a whole little world in a snow globe. You have the back piece, the middle layer, and the merry happy base. Okay, we're building from the back forward. All right, people, I seem to be a little obsessed with snow over here. You got your snowman, your snow globe, and your snowflake. With a beautiful big bow and the Merry Christmas text that layers on top. I'm sticking with the classic colors here. A beautiful deep red for the bow, and the base will be a vibrant green. This will make it really pop. This is where that little detail brush in the kit comes in handy, to add fine, tiny details like this. Just take your time. Remember, it's handmade. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be yours. That's what makes it special. Look at that depth. This would be stunning on a tree with all white lights. And last, but definitely not least, is the one I'm most excited about, our personalized reindeer. When you order this kit on the website, you type in the name you want and we cut it for you. I mean, come on, how special is that? Especially for $15. This is another one the kids go crazy for. They love painting the little reindeer and building it like a 3D puzzle. There are just a few more pieces here, but that just means more fun. I'm painting the reindeer a classic brown, the antlers a lighter tan. For the scarf, I'll do a nice deep green to be festive. And of course, a bright red nose. It's just the most thoughtful custom gift. I designed these kits to be an easy, affordable way for you to connect with your family, to make memories, and to create something beautiful and handmade in a world that's so digital. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to tune in next week because we're going to be making our holiday sign kits.